Dolores Cannon's legacy, lessons from the New Earth. Dolores Cannon, a pioneer in past life regression and New Earth teachings, left us with a treasure trove of wisdom about humanity's evolution. Today, we'll explore her most impactful lessons and how they guide us in creating a brighter future. One of Dolores's core teachings is that Earth is undergoing a monumental shift, a new Earth, where higher vibrations of love and unity will replace the dense energies of fear and separation. Her work reminds us that each of us plays a role in this transformation. Her regression sessions revealed that many of us are here as volunteers, souls who chose to incarnate at this time to assist in the shift. By aligning with love, forgiveness, and self-awareness, we help anchor the new Earth energies. Dolores also emphasized the importance of free will. While the new Earth is unfolding, it's up to each individual to choose whether to ascend with these energies or remain in lower vibrations. This underscores the power of personal responsibility in our spiritual journeys. Dolores Cannon's teachings continue to inspire and empower us to co-create a new Earth. Her legacy reminds us of the infinite possibilities within each of us. Like, share, and subscribe to Monkey Mind Mechanics as we honor her wisdom and walk this path together.